First of all, let me welcome everybody to the homestead. We're fairly new at this. We've got several projects going on that we're just fighting to work and learn. First one there, you see the beehive, which fixing to upload the video for that at the end of this. We got a little garden going on and pretty nice chicken coop over there with some chickens in it already in it. So I'm going to show you a video. We're going to start with the bees. Not having the best of luck with those. We've been doing it for about 2 months now. It seemed to come, we'll have one on the garden and for sure one on the chicken coop over there. But it's almost done. So stick around with us. Please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and we're pretty close. The last look, I think we needed 119 more to get it to 1,000. So part of the beekeeping community is great to learn on YouTube. There's so much to learn on YouTube. For David Burns and Bob Benny and Don the Fat Bee Man, really great help. My favorite though is I gotta say is Cayman Reynolds. I like Cayman Reynolds up in Tennessee. A lot of inspiration from that guy, and all the rest of them too. Don't knock anybody else. They're really good, especially Bob Benny. What a master. So anyway, here goes the video. Y'all enjoy, and like I said, subscribe to the channel and share it. All right, welcome to the beehive. About to make some fundamental changes here to the hive. Had an internal feeder. We're going to get rid of it. We're going to add an extra frame in here, get us back to 10. And I'm going to put a top feeder back in, one of the round ones, as you'll see. Haven't been in here in a week. And the last 2 times I did not see the queen, but we did have eggs that have been recent while we had all stages. So I'm hoping that we're still good there. We are going to add some mite treatment and some more beetle blasters. Two fresh beetle blasters with some fresh oil. So you're going to get this feeder out of here. Looks like it's pretty much empty anyway. That's a good thing. If there's any bees in there, we'll be able to get them out, hopefully. Shake this out in a minute. Back over here. Pick this up. Let's see what we got here. Let's get this beetle blaster out of here. I do plan on moving everything away from this side to this side because of the entrance right there. They don't seem to be growing this way. I want to try to put everything they're doing to the middle. I do need to look for the queen. Again, like I said, the last 2 times I've been in here, I've not seen her. You know, we're fairly new at this, really new at this, so we're we're learning as we go. If anybody has any suggestions or anything they see I do, please let me know. See a queen there. This will be a frame we'll probably move to the other side. Just not seeing much growth. Finally starting to see some comb build here. Once again, no queen. I'm going to take this off here. Let's put you over here for now. Get up. Got a lot of nectar here. A bit of comb build. Start right there. Put you over there. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow, lots of honey. We do have some cat brood here. Don't see any egg production right now though, and that's what's bothering me. Lots of nectar though. Lots of honey there already. Same thing over here, no brood or anything. No queen. Don't see her in there yet. Let's put you back in there for now. Oh yeah, we got a lot of cat brood there. I don't see any recent eggs in here. That's a lot of cat brood there. Drone cell there. And they're filling everything up with nectar. So, as you can see, a fair amount of cat brood there. A few drone cells on the side there. All right. There's a queen cell right there, as you can see, and it's covered. I'm not gonna mess with it, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let bees do their thing because I don't see a queen in here. I'm gonna let that be their new queen, if that's the case, and hope that it works out for me. Got quite a few of them, look at there. One, two, got one open there. And there is larvae in there. There is a pupa in there, something, whatever you call them. I'm not sure yet, I'm not far along yet. No queen. All right, moving right along. Bee bread in here. A lot of cat brood. Another queen cell that's capped there, I guess. not seeing any eggs. Queen is marked with a yellow dot from this year. There was another queen cell. Oh wow, we got queen cells everywhere. I'm gonna let the bees do what they do, as you can see. And I don't think the queen is in here because I'm not seeing any fresh eggs. But I am seeing where she's been in here recently because there's capped brood everywhere. Look at all the bee bread. Look at all the bee bread in that. Moving right along. Last frame here. There's a larva there. That's fairly new, so there's another queen cell right there, and it's capped. Don't see the queen. I don't know if she's even still in here, so I'm gonna put it back together. This is the third time in that I have not seen her. I haven't really looked that close. Got a lot going on in other places, so I'm gonna put this back together now a little bit differently since I moved them all to the other side. I want them to start building some comb for me. Hopefully we'll get a new queen in here to help us out. So we're going to put a new frame in here. It's a fresh frame that was in here at one time and I took it out for the feeder. So there we go. All right. So that part done. Get some beetle blasters back in here. I'm going to put 3 back in here now. We'll put one right here. So we'll get you all on this one. Let's put one over here. Sorry, fellas, girls. Let's get another one here. Seem to collect a lot in these things, so I'm going to make sure I got plenty of them to catch it. I don't want the beetle problem, not at all. Watch out, sweetie. Watch out, girl. All right, there's 3 beetle blasters there. We're also going to add two of these is recommended per brood box, so we'll put a couple of these in here. I'm gonna put one here. We're gonna put one probably about right here. Actually, let's bring it one into right here. There we go. Hopefully that'll help us keep the hive healthy. So let's get the lid back on. Come on, girls. I don't need you in here anymore. All right, girls. Time to go in. Come on. All right. Good deal. Good deal. All right, the girls are back in. My hive is a little unlevel, so I have some blocks to help me with my feeder. I made this to cover this. Basically just an extension. Put that there. I got my blocks. One's a little thicker than the other one to kind of help with the lean. So put one here, put one here, this, and it'll sit like that. It should sit fairly level. That's perfect right there. I've seen some people put the sock in there, and I tried this not too long ago, but what I found was it just didn't make much of a difference. It seemed like my bees couldn't get as much food, and I'd rather them just drink this straight up. If I lose a bee or two, that's one thing, but at least I'll have a lot of bees being able to get down in here to it. All right, yeah, that's much better, much more level this time, the way I had it last time. All right. Put this cover back over it. See how long it takes them to get up in there and find that. Shouldn't take them too terribly long. All right. I've seen some people put some pennies in there, and I have some, but I'm just gonna hold off on it for now. Let's put the lid back in. Shoot, we got the bees in here. You guys got to get out of there. Can't have you in there. All right. We find the queen, but looks like they're going to make one anyway. There's quite a few opportunities, and I'm not going to stop it. I'll let them do their thing. This is my first hive. I hope to expand and have a few more hives. I got too many other projects going on right now, so we're just going to let this do what it does. I can't focus 100% on it. And hey, bees are nature's thing. They do their thing the way they want to do it, and I can't stop them. I can help them. I can feed them. I can keep them healthy, but it's up to them to survive. It's up to them to make sure they keep a good queen in there. So, any comments, go ahead and leave some at the bottom. And keep in mind, everybody, I've only been doing this for about 2 months, and I'm still learning. So, all right, peace out.